Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to do summer harvest and grow a garden. Welcome to a quick guide on how to join the summer harvest event and grow a garden. This limited time event lets you earn rewards by contributing fruits to the summer basket. Each fruit has a point value based on its rarity. Common fruits give fewer points, while prismatic ones like the sugar apple can give up to 7 points. Golden rainbow variants even give bonus points. To prepare, stock up your inventory with high value fruits before the event begins. Once it starts, you can donate fruits directly or talk to Georgia to submit them all at once. Teaming up with friends is the fastest way to reach the top reward tier, up to 14,000 points for the prismatic amber lily. Solo runs are possible too. Just plant fast growing fruits like tomatoes to rack up points. Keep an eye on your total, and when the timer ends, you'll receive rewards based on your contribution. Good luck and happy harvesting. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.